Capillary schedule. Any of you know what that is? Or are you curious about what that is? Well, that's what we're talking about today, right here on the Hennasooq channel, and welcome. This is the channel where you will find the best information, the most reliable, and the easiest information about henna, natural hair dyeing, and Ayurvedic healthy hair care, and henna and jaguar body art, right from me, Khadija, the CEO and founder of this brand. So let's get into this capillary schedule, what this is all about. A little teaser. We're going to be coming out with a whole new regimen on this as well that you guys are going to really go crazy about. So what is a capillary schedule? First of all, it's a hair routine that focuses on 3 main treatments. Number 1, hydration. Number 2, nutrition. And number 3, reconstruction. And the purpose of this type of routine is to heal damaged hair through a specifically timed schedule, giving your hair the care it needs. Let's break down those 3 steps. So number 1, hydration. This is where you add back water into your hair. Some of the very best ways to do this is through using coconut oil, olive oil, and aloe vera powder. The next one is nutrition. This will be very necessary for those who have extremely dry hair. By doing a treatment with amla oil, argan oil, and coconut oil, this is going to be the very best way to nourish your hair. Because I bet you thought I was talking about what you eat, right? And one of the best ways that in this method with those oils is to make a hair tea infused oil. And last but not least, reconstruction. Those with very dry hair will have to do reconstructive hair treatments often. The reconstruction phase helps restore and recover the health of the hair. This includes protein treatments such as henna, keratin, and collagen. And to figure out what schedule you need to be on, you need to do a hair porosity test. So take a strand of your hair. You don't have to pluck it out of your scalp. You can take it out from your hairbrush and take that hair and put it in a cup of water. Does it sink? This would mean that you have high porosity hair. Does it float? Then that means you have low porosity hair. And low porosity hair makes it difficult to absorb nutrients into your hair. And what about if your hair did neither? It was just like in the middle. So that means you have medium porosity hair. If you have high porosity hair, you need to focus on reconstruction. If you have medium porosity hair, you need to focus on nutrition. And if you have low porosity hair, then you have to focus on hydration. And stay tuned because we have been working on a capillary schedule that is right for you. You are absolutely going to love it. It's going to get you on that path of understanding your hair even better, like going deep, like to understand your hair, because it's great, right? When people are making suggestions and you're seeing and trying to figure things out, but your hair is still as individual as you are. You may see someone who looks similar to you, but without knowing how your hair is, with this porosity level, you're still kind of at a loss of figuring out where do I start? What do I do? So this hair regimen plan that was complete with a capillary schedule is gonna get you to those hair goals. So have you ever tried a capillary schedule? Did you find that it worked for you? Let me know in the comments below. And thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to hit subscribe, hit that bell, because I got so much more that I've been working on and I don't want you guys to miss a thing. There are huge things happening, really huge things. New website, all the redesigning, all the packaging will be brand new. The style is going to be gorgeous. And we have our new location opening up really soon in Columbia, Maryland. So you don't want to miss out. I will see you next time.